Welcome to our channel, Single Line of Code. In today's video, we will be diving into creating components in Angular. Angular components are the building blocks of any Angular application, allowing us to build a user interface with ease. Before we start, please note that this video assumes you already have an Angular project set up. If you need help creating an Angular project, make sure to watch our previous video, which you can find linked right here, show link icon and previous video. I hope you have your Angular project ready, so let's get started. Open your project, navigate to your project folder. In our case, we'll open my Angular folder and then my Angular project folder. Right-click on the folder and select Open with VS Code. Create a components folder. Inside the srcc or app directory, create a new folder named Components. Right-click on the newly created Components folder and select Open in Integrated Terminal. Generate a component. In the terminal, type the command ngc registration page and press enter. This will create a new component. You should see for files generated. Open the registration page, component, TS file and copy the selector name, for example, app registration page. Open the app, component, HTML file, select all predefined code, delete it, and paste the copied selector name like this. If you encounter an error, don't worry. Click on the error and select Quick Fix, then choose the option to import the component. This should resolve the error. Open the app, component, TS file to ensure the registration pagent has been successfully imported. Open the registration page, component, HTML file. You should see a default paragraph. This paragraph will be displayed in the browser. Make sure to save all your files. Open the terminal and type ng serve open to run the project. This command will compile and open the project in your browser at http localhost 4200. Once the build process is complete, you should see your Angular project running with the newly created registration page component. Make changes and verify. Open registration page. Add a new line like save all files and verify the changes in your browser. Congratulations! Your Angular component is successfully created and running in the browser. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on Single Line of Code. Thank you for watching.